How to start trading on XTrend Speed. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can start trading on the XTrend Speed app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open the XTrend Speed app. Tap on Me. Scroll down. Here you will see the Starter School. It will teach you how to start trading. Tap on it. If you are new to trading, tap here. If you have some experience in trading, tap here. I am new to trading, so I will tap here. Here you will see two videos that will teach you how to use the app. Tap on them to watch the video. If you want to learn how to trade, tap here. To learn how to read candlesticks, tap here. To learn how to deposit, tap here. To learn how to withdraw, tap here. You can also learn about Forex, investment advance, and client notice. So this is how you can start trading on the XTrend Speed app.